we're moving. This week I'm gonna get all the rest of this stuff out of this garage. There's a lot out of here. That side's got some tools left. Got some stuff on pegboard. Shelving's been almost emptied, which is exciting. I'll show you where that all went. And we got a couple workbenches that I want to take with me, and some stuff over here, and some stuff over here. But it's not a lot. There's a ton of work that's already been done and moved over there by my lovely person. So let's get the rest of this stuff out of my garage. And thank you to this garage and this space for holding me over. But I'm excited. Let's get over there so we can start the next chapter. If you're new here, this is a furniture repair and restoration channel, and the community that you've just happened upon has funded a portion of this beautiful new studio that we're about to move into. And if you want to be a part of this community, then you're going to be part of the best community on the internet. So this is John's Furniture Repair, and we're ready to start a new chapter of restorations, refinishing, and in the most beautiful space possible. Let's get to it. Well, I'm officially out of this space, and it is now my garage again. Everything in here is garage related. So, yeah, everything out and into the shop, other than this tripod that needs to come with me. But this was a good space, held me over. So I am thankful for this space and for everything it provided in the meantime. So let's head over to the shop, and I'm going to show you how small it looks now that I have all my stuff in it. Okay, it's a bit overwhelming. Everything is in here. The container's empty. The garage is empty. Everything that was hiding in places that belonged in this shop is in here. Whew. Boxes and boxes full of stuff, furniture, tools, wood, supplies. Everything is not where it's supposed to be, and it's a mess. But it's in here, and that's pretty cool. You know, considering a lot, we are here in this space, and all of my crap is in here. So that's pretty cool. I'm starting to set up some of the most important space in the shop, which is the prep center with all the hand tools, clamps. And I did transfer over the wall of my antique hardware that I kind of like that in the garage. So being able to see it all like that is handy. So we did that again. But I have a lot of other things to figure out how I'm going to organize and display or hide or store, or, you know, how am I going to do all that jazz? And some of these tools aren't staying forever. The table saw is a temporary saw. There'll be a larger table saw coming in when I can afford it, because the shop is wired for my new cabinet saw, but I don't have it yet. So stuff's still moving around. Pieces are everywhere, and furniture is everywhere, and my brain is everywhere. Welcome to the new John's Furniture Repair. We are in this space and it's ready to go. It's amazing. I've been working for a few days in here and I'm loving it, guys. This is pretty cool. Let me show you around. Basically, I've got about 4 sections in this shop and each one kind of has a designated purpose. This is the finishing, color matching, and like all of the stains and the toners. Mixing lacquers, everything's kind of in this section for that. Any specialty finishing, all that stuff's kind of in here with our metal cabinets for storage. And that leads right into our finishing booth, which is finally coated and the filters are in and it's running. It's working great. And that's gonna be so nice to have after what I've been spraying with. Then we've got some furniture storage and the compressor's back there. Got to hook that up still. But some lovely storage for stuff, all the projects that we've got coming up. Wood storage completely reorganized. Plus I repurposed this shelf for some veneer and some repair stuff there. We've got our sign that was in the last place, just kind of sitting up there. And then this whole middle section is power tools, and they're not really organized exactly where they're going to be, and some are going to be switched up. But this is kind of where this nice big center where I can feed stock through and get access to all the tools without having to move a ton of stuff to get into the table saw or whatever. And then this section over here is, I would say, the most important part of the whole shop, the prep center with all the sanding and hand tools and hardware and clamps and just, you know, where I spend most of the time on each project. Got our bench all ready to go, my dad's old sign up and on display for a good throwback, and everything I need here to make furniture beautiful. And the last little section we have over here is just a little glue station, some cane work, some more veneer, some more storage, and a couple of extra tables. No sneak peeks. And a little bit more storage of furniture. So this shop has so much extra space in between things. This is a tool. Space is a tool. You got to be able to move around, and we've got super amounts of space, and I'm so excited to be working in here. And I want to thank each and every one of you who contributed to this project. Your name will be on my wall in a very short time, and I can't wait to get some projects going here and take you along with me. So thank you so much for waiting for this. It's been a long journey, but you guys are awesome, and we'll see you in the next video next week. All right, have a great day.